Hey y'all, it's your girl Haarmonilashawn, and I'm back with another video. And what we doing today, babe?
Wait, you going on your channel?
Yes. Who I'm here with too? Don't want my stomach, I just ate. I'm
y'all already
fat.
know me. Y'all already know me.
Y'all hear my boyfriend. And I'm gonna give him a makeover because I'm giving him a makeover.
Got lots of big.
What's the bit?
If you want her natural hair for a week, she get the she give me a makeover. So
I'm gonna give him a makeover, y'all. We was gonna do a little card thing, so like he can like pick like if he want lashes and no lashes, brown, red, wig, stuff like that. But I can't really. We ain't got no index card, so we're not gonna do that. But I got all the supplies out here behind me. Let me take a before picture, and then we're gonna get right into it, y'all. Okay? Hair makeup first.
you don't need
Here, I'm gonna do y'all hair first. Y'all, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna do his hair.
Man, I got.
I gotta braid his hair down. I'm not really finna be neat with these braids, cause like I'm just trying to get this over with. So, yeah.
You know I ain't got no retwist. So you know that jump finna hurt.
I need to play some music, babe. I'm literally braiding right now, and it's not hurting. I ain't trying to get no flat install.
Damn.
You
She hurt me then.
I did. I'm sorry.
Break my damn knee.
Shut up. Y'all, these dreads so damn thick. Where my mama went?
But you can do these to my hair after I get a retwist.
Braided?
Nah. What you doing right now?
Her braids, those things too thick. I'm gonna have to do like 5 individual braids.
No.
I can't do one big one like I'm doing now.
Yes, you can.
They too thick and they're not even.
Maybe if you knew how to do hair for real, you could have did it.
Babe, can you shut up? Babe, I need a scrunchie.
I got one.
You do?
I got 2.
Get one. And like his hair gonna be seen, boy.
Shut the hell up.
I'm gonna do one more braid, y'all, cause I'm not doing all that extra. I'm trying to get right into the makeover, and he finna look good though. He gonna be surprised. He already think he look like me, so.
I look good right now. Y'all, if we weren't together, would y'all think we brother and sister? Cause we look just alike.
We look like sometime. I think we just been together for too long. Well, been together.
Look at the camera right now, bitch. We look alike, don't we?
No, we don't. Not right now.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't. Your forehead big.
I know, bro.
These 2 big old braids, y'all. Y'all, his hair is too thick for me. Is it a fly hair?
Ooh, babe, these the worst braids I ever seen.
Babe.
I'm glad you don't do hair.
Babe, it's cause your dreads.
No, babe, 'cause I had my hair braided before.
To the back.
I'm
literally braiding off no
My
reason.
mama know how to braid.
Babe, y'all, I'm braiding off no.
My mama know how to braid.
I'm braiding off no retwist.
My mama braided my hair without no retwist before.
I'm doing 2 big braids, y'all.
Well, do multiple, nigga.
No, it's taking too long. I need a wig cap. I'm gonna get my mama's.
Bro, no, don't get no. Bro, just put it on my head,
No,
bro. I can put it on my head right now.
Babe.
No, that gonna make my forehead look big.
But you look good though. You look good though.
It's monkeys.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna put these wigs behind her. You gonna close your eye. I promise
Yeah,
you.
the red one is my favorite.
Promise you won't look.
But how long it gonna take?
It's like 3 seconds. Promise you won't look. I'm finna tell you to pick the wig, man. Y'all, I'm finna switch this up.
I want the red one.
You gotta pick the one he want.
I want the red one.
Come on, pick. Babe, just point to your right side or your left side. You can feel them to see which one you
This
pick.
one.
Oh, the other one. Feel the other one.
Oh, I seen this the red one because I already seen it.
But I mixed them around. But okay, you can get down.
No, cause it was tied up at the bottom, and I felt the bottom.
Babe, look right now.
You lying? You lying?
Okay, yeah, he get the one he want. I'm just gonna slap this on. These braids, hold on, y'all. Yeah, if I had a wig cap, it would have been a lot better, but I ain't got no wig cap, so. Even though, damn, we went to Beach Spot today, y'all. Y'all can't even see me. Tilt the camera up a little bit. Yeah, I gotta glue it down.
No, you don't.
Babe.
You're not gluing
It's a wig
You're not putting no glue on my
install.
head.
Babe.
You're not putting no glue on my head. Is it real glue?
Nah, it's fake glue.
You ain't putting no real glue on my head.
Babe.
But, oh my God. Oh my God.
Come on, bro. You gotta look good.
Why I look like George Washington? What the weird?
Babe, you stretching my wig.
You put it on. You had
hold
an
your
idea.
head back hard.
Oh.
There you go, babe.
Why I feel like the first president of the United
Babe,
States?
hold your head back. And stop talking.
But
Your head too big for his wig.
look at this.
Yo, his head too big.
Bro, what it did, bro?
Yo, his head too big.
No, your ass got a little head.
No, your
You
head
didn't-
is too big.
Oh.
Shit. We might have to put a head wig band on so they won't see you lifting. Yeah, we just gotta put a wig band on. So, yeah,
That look good. They have Harmony be. With their fake hair, she be like this. They how she took her picture, she was like this. They how you was saying, babe, arching your back and shit,
No, I
trying to close
wouldn't.
your lid.
Okay. Hold on. What they spray about it? Hold on, y'all.
This how Harmony be. She good.
Damn.
Yo, how am I supposed to do this, bro? Y'all want me to give her a makeover? I'ma cut her dreads out. She gonna get waves. Hey, you really straight though. Like, what's that, little mama? How you doing? Like, y'all got a soda pop? Come see shit. Come see shit.
Okay, y'all.
What's that,
I
little
lost
mama?
the brush.
What's that, little mama?
The brush fell in the toilet, so we're gonna have to.
You like ball. You mean ball or spraying your head. Yeah, it's cold.
Y'all, the brush fell in the toilet, so I'm pretty sure he don't want toilet water on his
I used to think this shit hurt.
touching.
But I forgot it ain't y'all here.
You can't wear nerves.
I got on the
head.
I got on the hair
Put a
hat.
wig band in.
I got a hair hat on, yeah. Got Harmony be. You like what you see? What you be saying, baby?
Huh?
You like what you see? What
like
you
what
say?
you see, baby?
You should be like, you like what you see, baby?
No, it's like, you like what you see, baby? Okay.
Come on, man. Nigga, you doing that shit on
Babe,
purpose. Why you doing it? You just did that on purpose.
Can you get the front? Can you hold the front then?
No.
Oh, the
You a
front.
perfect.
Trying not to help hurt you. You ain't choking.
Yeah, like I'm a dog.
Okay. Babe, hold your head back. Babe, hold your head back.
Come close.
Hold your head back. I'm fucking up my wig. I got another one. I got another red one in there. Okay. Hold this down like this.
Look at my face. Ah!
Baby, move your hands. So they won't see the lace lifting. Okay.
This how you look for real. This how I look just like you. They have. Oh, this what you wear when your lace lifting? I thought it was just a headband to carry all your sweet.
Oh my god, you get on my nerves.
That mean your lace always lifting. Cause you always got this on.
You gonna embarrass me in front of my people on here?
Why you ain't quiet?
I don't even want to do that.
Your lace be
Babe, yeah, turn to the back, turn to the back, turn to the back. Oh, Bobby, Baby, look good. You get baby, Akima, baby, Akima. Yes, what's the girl? Man, what did your video blow up?
That gonna be embarrassing right now.
Baby, Akima on the scene. Who you know? Okay, we done with your hair. You like it?
No, I hate this shit.
Babe. Hey, your big ass head. We need to go down.
Fuck your little head. Ain't glad.
Babe, you can't talk shit in the vid.
Yes, I can.
You like a bad.
Fuck off me.
I'm gonna post this shit.
Get off me.
Okay, I'll be back. Had to do my little quick little TikTok. His hair kind of puffing up right now, but you know, I'm gonna get I'm a certified hairstylist, so I'm gonna get this done. You feel me? He liking it so far. He like the way
Bro, I
it
hate
feel,
this shit,
and you know.
Get that comb on my foot.
Babe, I'm trying to.
Bro, just put the eyeliner stuff on, bro.
Sorry. Went with some. We're gonna go in with some concealer.
Bro, you're not putting that on my face, bro.
Babe, that's what you supposed to do.
No, you just put eyeliner on,
Babe,
bro.
come on. Come close.
Bro,
Come close. Sit up.
you're not doing it, bro. You're not putting that on my face.
Okay, I'll just put a little bit.
Alright,
I'll wash your face after. With some good stuff, I promise.
Bro, listen. Bro, bro.
Babe,
Bro, get that
babe,
shit,
come
bro,
on,
no.
for real.
Get it out
For real,
my face,
babe.
bro. Get it
Babe,
out
I
my
already put a little bit. I'm just put a little tab on each side. Each cheek, forehead, nose, mustache, bottom of your face. You wanna do this to me?
Bro, look at this, bro. Why I look like that, bro?
Babe, cause I gotta blend it in.
Let's tighten up. Hurry
Gotta
up.
blend it in.
Hurry up. Be like red velvet.
Oh, that boy getting sexy.
That's like you a makeup stylist. Generic ass thing.
Oh, you look good. Stop looking. That's all I'm done. We can't even tell the difference.
What are you doing?
Babe, your hairline somewhere.
What outside? Shit.
Can I put a little bit more?
No.
You can't even tell.
Bro, I look the same, though.
Exactly.
So you just put all that bullshit on my face for no reason?
No, babe. You can't even tell. It
wow.
matches the skin color perfectly, y'all. So I went in with the first layer. Now let me go in with the
I
second layer.
ain't doing that second layer. Put this shit down.
Babe, come
Put
on.
it down. No.
Second layer.
No,
Come on,
put it
babe.
down.
Babe.
Oh, I like a little bitch.
Come on. Swipe your hair out of the way. Babe, get closer to the phone.
They can see me.
Babe.
You just talking.
Get on my nerves, I swear.
Ooh, it's cold.
It's actually feel good, don't it?
No, it's just cold.
I'm gonna put a little bit.
Hill. The hell it is. She's a female. I'm a boy.
This one gonna even out your skin tone.
I ain't reposting this shit on them.
Yes, you are.
On the hell I'm not. You gotta post shit by yourself. I don't want nobody to see this shit.
You tag out your homeboy
Yeah.
in the description.
I kid.
See, look, babe, done that little better. Done that little better though.
But why am I light skinned?
Babe, you're not light skinned.
Yes, I am. Why I'm pale?
Man, cause I ain't put the primer on yet.
Alright, let me see what the primer is.
Wait, man, I gotta finish the makeup.
Bro, let me see the primer. What it's called? Primer?
Yes.
Bro, if I ain't darker by then, bro, I swear to God, bro.
I gotta do
You
your
know I
eyes.
like that light skin.
I gotta do your eyes. They gotta be real skilled. Hold on. Hey. Okay. Damn, this video gonna be short as fuck. I gotta slow down. Okay, yeah, now I'm finna put his eyeliner on. I'm gonna do him a wing on the side. You want a wing or you want a star?
What?
Babe, come
Bro,
on.
I'm not doing that gay shit, bro.
It's not gonna be gap.
Niggas, you talking about you gonna do my eyeliner, you gonna put
I'm
a
doing-
star
babe,
or a wing
okay,
on my
I'm not-
face?
Okay, I'm not gonna do all that.
Nah, just put a star on the wing.
Yeah, okay.
Put a star on, no eyeliner.
Okay.
Just draw face paint on me.
Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Why fit it on me?
Cause red is what you gonna feel it.
It's gonna burn, babe, close to my eye.
Red is not your eye. Do you feel your eye?
Yes.
No, you don't.
But then I tell you I don't want it on my face like that. Who outside, bro? I don't fuck with cold ugly ass now.
Can I do your eyebrows?
My eyebrow.
You want me to do
Do
your
your
eyebrows?
damn
You
eyebrow.
want me to leave them alone?
Yes.
story now?
I'm finna beat your ass, bro. Tie that
Wait,
shit
let
back
me-
up, bro.
I'm gonna do the story.
Bro, tie it back up, bro.
I'm gonna do the story.
Tie it back up,
Or do you
bro.
want me-
Tie it back up. Screw it back up, bro.
Okay.
Hold it, shut your ugly ass up. But screw it back up, bro. Hit it up, bro. What else you got, bro?
I'm not done yet. Look at the camera. Let me take a picture. But you wiped it out and I gotta put it back on.
No.
Okay, y'all. So I'm almost done, y'all. I promise. I'm almost done with his eyes. Just mascara. Then I'm gonna put your lashes on. I'm gonna be done.
Bro, Cody, shut up, bro. Shut up.
Babe, just cause you. Babe, your lace lifting. If I get your eye lifting, I'm like, babe, open your eyes.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, sister.
My God, bro. I ain't gay, Candy.
What Candy is? Oh, I thought that was my sister.
Oh, who is that? Oh, that's your mom. It do sound like Candy.
You gonna learn to say that good enough.
Oh, my God.
Bet or no bet.
You got some on eyelashes. Hey, why you acting like that?
Come on, bro. Come on.
Okay. What the security? What the security?
Yeah, I feel it going into my eye, baby.
You see? You feel it? Your eye?
Mm-mm.
Keep them closed. Keep
Bro.
them closed.
Bro, oh my God, bro.
Keep
Why
them
do it feel
closed.
like that, bro?
Keep them closed. Fuck the security. Fuck the security. Oh
Oh my God, bro.
Lord, I gotta wait for her.
Bro. Oh my God, bro.
Okay, y'all. So we're literally like 2 steps away from being done. 2 like things away from being done. One thing is, and that was the lip
Look
gloss.
at this, bro. You don't even look right, bro.
Yes, it
like,
do, babe. Look, be for real.
Like, bro, like.
Be for real.
Bro, I'm gonna take the eyelashes
Come on,
out.
no.
Oh my.
Lip gloss. You almost done, I promise.
That ain't even lip gloss.
Yes, it is. Say lip gloss, babe. Do you look, honey? Do I do?
Oh my fucking God.
Come on.
What is that?
Look, babe, lip gloss.
Why you gotta pick 2 layers of
Do you
lip
look like
gloss
them?
on?
It's 3. Do you look like them?
3. But I like that nigga, that thing off a toy store, that baby off a toy store.
No, you don't.
My eyelashes like this.
What baby, babe?
You know the baby with the messed up eye. Shit. Yeah.
Oh, you was funny. Want some other gloss? Want another layer?
No. This is the last thing, right?
Almost.
What's the last thing?
Babe, I gotta outline your lips.
Bro, no, that's too
Babe.
far. That's too far.
Babe, that's what
No,
you supposed to. Oh, I'm
no.
supposed to do your eyebrows, my bad. All you do is
No, you're not doing my
babe,
eyebrows,
just
man.
brush.
Get that,
Look,
bro.
babe, look.
Look,
Done.
bro.
I'm done.
Yeah, that's the end of the video. She gonna see y'all later, bro.
No, wait, stop. What are you doing?
I'm done.
I didn't even take the picture.
Goddamn country time. But stop recording me, bro.
Goddamn practice harmony chill.
See, babe, it ain't even on your face for real. You was doing too much.
All the things that come up to do, y'all decide to play and make up.
I love you,
Shut the hell up.
babe.
Stand
Are you mad for real?
Shut the hell up.
You let me do it.
In my face. Get it out of my hair.
I'm not. Babe, it's face wash. You got soap in your hair before. I gotta put it on top of your eyes to get out right now.
Then I burn it.
No, I'm gonna wipe it off. Do not open your eyes. All off.
Bro, you're still in my face.
Duh, babe. Just said you had to sit down so you can get out.
My face burn. Why my face burn?
Cause of that.
But what is that?
Get on my nerves.
What is estrogen? Stop putting stuff on me.
This lotion.
Mom, why my face burning?
Babe, it's burning because of that.
Hey, what is deep cleaner estrogen and salicylic
Babe, because you have...
salicylic acid acne medication?
Go get your lotion. Go get your lotion. Go get.
Dang, bro. Man, give me some water, bro.
Well, face?
For me.
Are you thirsty?
Yeah. Bro, I'm not doing it no more, bro. Watch when I get up. Watch when I get up. It's gonna be a problem then. Why it ain't cold?
You put it in the fridge.
It just burn, bro.
It still burn?
Yes. Stop spreading it all around like this. Gay.
No, it's not.
You put it on my face.
Babe, I love you. Babe, you did my video. You get a kiss. Get a kiss. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. How you feel, though, babe?
Face burn.
You still burn?
Yes. Why your muscle little be like that? Never mind.
But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want videos and challenges like this, if y'all want more of these, let us know in the comments. Text me, do whatever. Just let me know. If y'all want him to do something with my face, hair, all that stuff, let me know. Let him know. And we will. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Say bye, and then you love them.
I don't like y'all. I don't fuck with y'all.
Bye, y'all. He love y'all, I promise. Mwah.